सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 5.1 problem number 10. Look at the question. In triangle ABC, AB equals to 2.2 cm, BC 1.5 cm and AC 2.3 cm given, and in triangle XYZ, XY is equals to 4.4 cm, YZ equals to 3 cm and XZ is equals to 4.6 cm. Find the ratio of AB is to XY, BC is to YZ, AC is to XZ are the lengths of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are in proportion. So we have to find the ratio between the AB and XY side, BC and YZ side, and AC is to XZ. Okay. So given hint, any two triangles are said to be proportion if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If the two triangles are said to be proportion and the corresponding sides must be in the corresponding sides ratio is same. Okay, right, let us see here. Yeah, this is the triangle and we have to take another triangle. Yeah, it is ABC triangle. This is X, Y, Z. Okay, say given AB 2.2 cm, here it is 2.2 cm, BC given 1.5 cm and AC given 2.3 cm. Okay, right, next XY given 4.4 cm and YZ given 3 cm and XZ given 4.6 cm. I think you may confuse, so that is why I am going to take this triangle little bit larger, so you may confuse with the values, I think, because this ABC triangle and this XY triangle look like same in size. Okay, so XY, that is why I am taking another triangle here, XYZ. Now it is 4.4 centimeters, YZ 3 centimeters, and this is 4.6 centimeters. Right? Corresponding sides. Which are corresponding sides here? Look at here. AB is corresponding side to XY and XY is corresponding side to AB. Nothing but AB comma XY are corresponding sides. Okay, right, now AC comma XZ are corresponding sides. Next, BC and YZ are same corresponding sides. Okay, we have to find the ratio between these. AB is to XY comma BC is to YZ and AC is to XZ. Okay, right, so this we can write AB by XY, that is equals to AB value we have, so write down here values. So AB is equals to 2.2 centimeter and BC is equals to 1.5 centimeter and AC is equals to 2.3 centimeter. So XY we have already given. Okay, so I need to write. So AB by XY, yeah, here AB is nothing but 2.2 centimeter by XY 4.4 centimeter. Centimeter gets cancelled. 2.2 and by 4.4, 2.2 by 4.4, 2.2 ones, 2.2s, so 1 by 2, that nothing but AB is to XY we got 1 is to 2. Is it clear? 1 is to 2 we got. The ratio between the AB and XY corresponding side is 1:2. And next look at for this, we can write BC by YZ. What is the BC? Yeah, BC is 1.5 centimeters by YZ. It is 3 centimeter. Okay. Yeah, centimeter gets cancelled. 1.5 ones, 1.5 twos. 1 by 2, that is nothing but BC is to YZ. We got 1:2 ratio. Okay. Next, AC by XZ is equals to, what is the AC? Yeah, AC is 2.3 centimeters by XZ 4.6 centimeters. Centimeter gets cancelled. 2.3 ones, 2.3 twos. Okay, that is nothing but 1 by 2. That we can write AC is to XZ is equals to, we got 1:2. So all the three corresponding sides ratios we got same 1:2. That we can write AB by XY is equals to BC by YZ is equals to AC by XZ is equals to, we got 1 by 2. The ratio is fixed here and it is same for all the three corresponding sides. Okay. With this property we can say that, what is the hint given? Any two triangles are said to be in proportion if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Yes, these corresponding sides in the given ABC and XYZ triangle sides are in the same ratio. Okay, our corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is 1:2 is a ratio. Therefore triangle ABC comma triangle XYZ are in proportion. Okay, is it clear? Are you clear with this? Yes. Right on.